let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Then let's search for WooCommerce, and here we have it. So let's click on install now and activate. So now the WooCommerce plugin has been installed and activated. And when we go back to plugins, we can see the plugin right here. Now we can also go to pages, and here we can see that a couple of new pages have been created, like the cart page, the checkout page, the my account page. Then we have the refund and returns policy as a draft. And then we also have the shop page. Now we don't need this page right here, so we can just delete it. We're going to create our policy pages later on. So let's just click on trash and then go to the trash and click on empty trash. What has also been added after installing the WooCommerce plugin are these options here on the left. We see WooCommerce, we have products, we have analytics, and we have marketing. So next we're going to take a look at how to add products to your e-commerce website using WooCommerce. So there are 3 different main product types that we can add to our store. There's the simple product, the variable product, and the group product. So the simple product is just one product with one size and one color, so there are no variants. In this example, it's just a blue t-shirt. Then we have the variable product, which means that there are multiple variants of the same product. In this case, we have multiple colors for the same t-shirt. Now, if it would just be one color, but there are multiple sizes, then it would also be a variable product. And then we have the group product, which means that multiple single products are grouped together and we can buy it on one product page. So now we're going to take a look at how to add each of these product types to your store. So here back in the WordPress dashboard, let's head over to products and then let's click on add new. We're going to start off by giving our product a name. Here I'm going to be selling a button-down dress called Ruby. Then we're going to move on to the product description. Now there are 2 different descriptions for your product page. There's the product description, and then when we scroll down, there's also the product short description. Now the short description is what will show up here below the title and the price of your product. The regular product description, which is up here, will show up below the product, so right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste that text from the example page and paste that in here. Then let's scroll down and go to the product data. Now here are the different product types we can choose that we have already looked at. So currently we have simple product. We can also choose a group product, external affiliate product, or a variable product. For now, we're going to stick to the simple product. Then we can give our product a price. So we can say the regular price of this product is $40. We can also add a sale price. So this is what I've done right here on the example page. Here we can see the regular price is set to $40 and the sale price is set to $30. So let's do that here as well. Let's add $30 for the sale price. Let's move on to inventory. Here you can add your SKU identifier, which is just for you to keep track of your products. I'm going to leave this empty for now. Then we can also track our stock in WooCommerce. So we can tick this option and then enter the quantity we currently have in stock of this product. Let's say we have 100. And then once somebody purchases this product, this number will also go down and you can track your inventory here in WooCommerce. Then you can allow back orders, which means that when your stock hits 0, people would be still able to buy that product if you choose allow or allow but notify customer. But if you don't want people to be able to purchase products once the stock hits 0, you want to tick do not allow. Then let's go to shipping. Here we can add the weight of the product, the dimensions, and also a specific shipping class. This makes sense if you want to charge your shipping rates based on weight, dimensions, or a specific shipping class. Then here under link products, we can also add upsell products or cross-sell products. And then here attributes, this is more for the variable products. So we're not going to cover this for the simple product. Then let's scroll down and also add our product short description, which again will be visible right here below the price. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into this field. Then let's scroll back up and also look at the right side here of the window and go to product image. Here we can set the main product image, which will be shown on your store and also as the main first picture on the product page. So here, let's just click on set product image. And then I'm just gonna upload an image I have prepared here and click on set product image. And then we can also add product gallery images. These are the images that will be shown down here that people can just scrub through and check out different angles of this product. So I'm just going to add one gallery image and click on add product gallery images, then upload my gallery image and click on add to gallery. And then we can scroll further down and here we can also add this product to one of our categories. Currently we haven't any categories set up yet, but we can add them right here by clicking on add new category. Now let's create a category called dresses and click on add new category. And now we can see that this product is already added to the dresses category. And then down here, we can also add product tags. So we can add dresses here, or we can add something like summer, just all the tags that are relevant for this product. And now to publish this new product, we're just going to scroll up and click on publish. Now the product has been published on our store and we can look at the product page by clicking on the product page link here, or we can also right click on view product, open in a new tab. And then here we have our product page. This is the product image here. And we also have one gallery image. We have the price, we have the name, the short description, the amount in stock, and then also the main description down here. And here in the WordPress dashboard, we can click on products and then we can see that product right here. Now let's take a look at how to add a variable product to your store. Again, a variable product is simply a product with multiple variants. So for example, for this top here, we have different colors. We have light pink and also yellow. And we also have different sizes. We have small, medium, and large. So let's see how we can do that. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Let's go to products and then let's click on add new. And here we're going to start with the product name. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the description of this product on the demo page, copy and paste. And then we're going to scroll down to product data. And now we're going to switch from simple product to variable product. And now we already get this notice saying that we can now add attributes to this product, which are the different variants like size or color. So let's close this window for now. And something we can also notice is that the price field that we had with the simple product has disappeared, which is because we can set the price for each variation individually. So let's click on attributes. And here we can add our first attribute. I'm going to start with color. And then under values, we can enter the different colors that we have for this product. Like for example, I have light pink. And then before typing in the second color, we have to separate each of these variants with this icon here, this vertical line. Now on my keyboard, this is option 7, but on your keyboard, this might be different. So if you can't find it, what I'm going to do is just put this vertical line in the video description. So you can just copy and paste it from there if you can't find it on your keyboard. So the second color we have is yellow. So I'm going to type that in and then click on Save Attributes. And then I'm going to add a second attribute for the sizes. So I'm going to click on Add New, then type in size. And here we'll add a small, a medium, and a large. And click on Save Attributes. And now to actually create all the variations for our product, we're going to click on Variations and then Generate Variations and confirm. So now all of our 6 variants are generated. We have small, medium, and large for the light pink color and small, medium, and large for the yellow color. Now we can add prices to each of these variants separately. So we can click on Edit for the first variant, and then we can add a price right here. But if all of the variants actually have the same price, we can just click on Add Price up here, and then add the price to all of the variants at the same time. However, we do need to add our product images separately for each of the variants. So let's start with the first one by clicking on Edit, And then here, click on the image icon. And then I'm just going to upload the images for both colors. Then choose the light pink one, click on set variation image. Then I'm going to go to the next one, which is also light pink. So again, click on the icon, choose this variation, and then do the same for the last one. And the same thing for the yellow top as well. But here we're just going to choose the image of the yellow top, obviously. And that's it for setting up the variants. So let's scroll all the way to the bottom and also add our short description. I'm just going to copy and paste that from the demo page again and paste it in here. Then let's scroll up again. Then let's scroll back up. And here under product image, we want to choose our default product image. So I'm just going to choose this one right here, set product image. And then let's scroll down again to product data and click on variations. Here we also want to set our default form values. So what product will be displayed by default when people click on this product? I'm going to set it to light pink and small. And then we can also add some more images here to the product gallery. So let's click on add product gallery images. And then I'm going to choose this one here and then shift click to the second one as well. So I can select both of them at the same time and click on add to gallery. Let's also create a new category for this product. So I'm going to click on add new category, and then I'm going to add the category for the tops and click on add new category. Then we could also add some tags here, but I'm going to skip this for now. And then I'm going to scroll up and click on publish or update. Now let's take a look at the product page. So right click on view product, open in a new tab. And then here we have our product page. So this would be the default variation, light pink and small. And we can change that here as well to a yellow. And then the image will change as well. And we can also change the different sizes of these images. And then here at the bottom, we also have the two gallery images that we have added. So now we've learned how to add a simple product and how to add a variable product. Now let's also take a look at how to add a grouped product. Now again, a grouped product is basically multiple individual products grouped together on one product page. So for example, this is what this could look like. Here we have an Xbox with a headset and a controller. So these are three individual products all grouped together on this one product page. So for example, I could buy one Xbox and two controllers and one headset and then add that to the cart and go ahead and buy that all together from this one product page. So let's see how we can set that up. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and then go to products and click on add new. So now before we can create our group product, we first need to create a simple product for each of the products on the group product page. So we're going to create a simple product for the Xbox Series S, one for the Xbox controller, and one for the Xbox headset. So let's start with the Xbox Series S. I'm going to give the name Xbox Series S. Now, because this product will only be offered in the grouped product page, there's no need to add a separate description. So we're going to scroll down and add a price. So this is going to be $300 for the actual Xbox. And then we also want to add a product image because it will show up in the cart. So right here, we can see the product image. So let's click on set product image. And then I'm just going to drag and drop in all of the product images here and choose the Xbox and click set product image. And now there's one more thing to do, which is to set this product as hidden. So under catalog visibility, we're going to click on edit. And then here we're going to choose hidden. The reason we're going to choose hidden is because we don't want to show this as a single product on our store. We just want to show it on the grouped Xbox product page. So let's click on OK, and then let's click publish. And now I'm going to click on add new, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other two products, the controller and the headset. And now we're just going to do the same thing for the other two products. So let's click on add new, type in Xbox controller. Then let's go ahead and add a price and also set the product image. Then scroll up and under catalog visibility, we're going to change this to hidden and click publish. And then once more, add new. And now we need to add the headset. So I'm going to copy the name and paste it in here. I'm going to add the price $100, set the product image, and then set this to hidden as well and publish. Now let's go back to products. And here we can now see the 3 products we have just added. And now we want to create a grouped product, including all of these 3 products. So let's click on Add New, and I'm just going to name this Microsoft Xbox. Then we can enter our product description. And then down here under product data, we want to change it from simple product to a grouped product. And then we want to go to link products. And here we want to choose all of the products we want to add to this group product. So I'm just going to type in Xbox and then add all of these simple products. So the Series S, the controller, and also the headset. Then we can scroll down and also add our short description. And here on the right side, we're going to set our product image. I'm going to choose this image again. And then we can also add a few gallery images. I'll just add the other products that are in this group product page. So let's click on Add to Gallery here. And then we can also add a category, add some tags and so on. But now let's just publish this group product page. And now let's right click on View Product and go to the product page. And there we go. Now we can see we have this group product page where we have these 3 products that we can buy on this page. And we can choose how many of each product we want and then just add that to the cart. And here we can also see the images of the individual products. And because we have hidden each of the individual products, we can just see the grouped product on our shop page. So here we just have this product and then we can click on it and it will take us to the group product page. Now, one more quick tip for adding products. If you are adding a lot of products that are very similar, what you can do to save some time is just go to a product that you have already added and then click on duplicate. And it will just take all of the options you have already entered, the images, the name, and so on. And then you can just make your changes here and publish it as a new product. So I just added a few more products here just so we have some more content to work with for this example store. Again, if you want to follow along, you can find a link to the Google Drive folder down below in the description, where you can find all of those images for those example products. So now we've successfully installed the WooCommerce plugin, and we've also learned how to add different types of products to our e-commerce store. Next, we're going to take a look at how to add more categories to our store and how to add products to those categories. And then we're also going to look at how to add those categories to the navigation menu. So here in the WordPress dashboard, let's go to products and click on categories. And here we can see 2 categories we've already added while creating our products. We have dresses and we have tops. And then we also have uncategorized. So for each product that doesn't have a specific category, it will automatically be assigned to uncategorized. Now, the first thing we want to do here is add images to each of our categories. So for the dresses, let's click on Edit. Then let's scroll all the way down to the thumbnail and click on Upload Image. Then I'm just going to drag in all of my category images. And I'm going to choose this one for the dresses category and click Use Image and click Update. Then let's go back and do the same thing for the tops. Now, if you want to create a new category, we can do that right here on the left. So let's say we want to create a best sellers category. We can enter the name here. Then if this is a subcategory of an already existing one, we can choose the parent category right here. And then all the way at the bottom, we can also choose the category thumbnail, the category image. So let's click here and then let's choose this image for the best sellers and click Use Image and then click Add New Category. And then we can scroll up and see that new category right here. Now I've added one more category called New Arrivals. And then we can also change the order. So let's say we want to have dresses all the way at the top. Then we have tops, then we have best sellers, and then new arrivals. So now we have 4 categories in total, but we can see that for the new categories we've just added, there aren't any products in those categories yet. So let's look at how to add products to those categories as well. So let's go back to products. And then here, let's select all of the products we want to add to the best sellers category. Once all of those products are selected, let's go to bulk actions, click on edit, and then apply. And then here we can see all the products that are selected. And here we can choose the categories we want to add those products to. So let's add them to the best sellers category, then scroll down and click on update. And now we can see that those products are in the best sellers and also in the dresses category, which was the original one we have added the product to. And now let's also add a few products to the new arrivals category. So select the products again, go to bulk actions, edit, apply, then choose new arrivals and update. So now we also want to add our categories to our navigation menu. So let's quickly go to our website by hovering over our website name, then right click on visit site and open in a new tab. And then here we can see the navigation menu, and this is where we want to also be able to navigate directly to our product categories. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then let's scroll down here, go to appearance and click on menus. And here we can see all of the links that we currently have in our navigation menu. Now to add our product categories, we're gonna scroll down here and then go to product categories. And now here we can see our categories. We can simply click on select all and then add to menu. Now let's click on save menu. And then we can go back to our website, reload the page. And now we can see all of our product categories in the navigation menu. Now you can see that this can be a lot of different links in the navigation menu, which can be quite confusing. So what I would want to do is add those categories as a sub-menu of the shop page. So to do that, we're going to go back to the dashboard again. And then here under pages, we can now also add our shop page. So let's go to view all, and then let's select the shop page and click on add to menu. Now we should see that page right here. And now we can add all of the categories as subcategories or a sub-menu to the shop link. So let's just drag them down here and drag them to the right a bit like this. And then just do that for all of our categories. Then let's click on save menu. And now let's go back to our website again, reload the page. And now we can see that we just have one more link, the shop page link, and we have all of our categories as sub-menus right here. Now I actually want to have that shop link all the way on the left. So let's go back and drag that all the way to the top, and then again, save menu. And now we can see that the shop link is all the way on the left of the menu. There's a few more technical things we need to do in order for our customers to be able to check out and actually buy our products. And that would be adding our payment providers, specifically Stripe and PayPal. Then adding our shipping rates, so what we want to charge for shipping our products to the customer. Then if you want to add taxes, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And then also if you want to create coupon codes, I'm going to also show you how to do that. But now let's look at how to add your payment providers, so Stripe and PayPal, to your WordPress e-commerce website. So now we are in the WordPress dashboard, and the first thing we need to do is install plugins for both Stripe and PayPal. So let's come to the left side and go to our plugins. Then let's click on add new and let's install Stripe first. So let's type in Stripe, and the one that we're going to use is this one here, payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce by Payment Plugins. So let's click on install now and activate. And now let's also install PayPal. So let's just type in PayPal, and we're going to use the one from Payment Plugins again. So this one right here. So let's click on install now and activate. And now when we go back to our plugins, we can see both of these plugins right here. So now let's activate Stripe first. So let's go to WooCommerce and then click on Stripe by Payment Plugins. Here, click on Settings. And now to connect your Stripe account, you just want to click on this button right here, click to connect. Then here we need to enter the email of our Stripe account. Now, if you don't have a Stripe account yet, go ahead and create your Stripe account and then come back to this step. So enter your Stripe email and then click on continue. Then enter your Stripe password and click on login. Then you should receive a verification code to your phone number. So just type that code in here and then just click on connect. So now our Stripe account is connected. So let's change the mode from test to live. And then let's also test the connection by clicking on connection test. And now there we go. It says connection test to Stripe was successful. Let's click OK. So let's scroll down and click on Save Changes. And then let's also look at how to activate the PayPal payment option. So here under WooCommerce, let's click on PayPal by Payment Plugins. Then go to Settings. And here next to Connect to PayPal, let's click on Click to Connect. And here just simply log in to your PayPal account. If you don't already have an account, create one first and then come back here. And make sure it's a business account, otherwise this will not work. So once you're logged in to your PayPal account, click on Agree and Connect. And that's all we have to do to connect PayPal. So let's scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now we also need to enable those payment options on our e-commerce website. So to do that, let's click on Payments up here. And then down here, we can activate different payment options. So here I have credit cards by Stripe activated. You can also activate Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other methods, but I'm going to leave these turned off for now. But I also want to activate PayPal. So let's scroll down and activate PayPal all the way down here. And let's save our changes. Now I also want to go to Accounts and Privacy and then make some changes to the settings here. So I like to activate this option, allow customers to log in to an existing account during checkout. And then these two as well. And these two I'm turning off. Let's scroll down and save the changes. And now let's go to our website and see if our payment providers are working. So let's go to our website. Then here we're going to put something in the cart. So we can just add this product right here. Then let's click on checkout. And right here we have the option to pay using a credit card through Stripe, or we can also pay through PayPal. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is add our shipping rates. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Then here, let's go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. And here, let's open up the shipping settings. And then here we can add shipping zones. So you can have multiple shipping zones, which are basically the geographical locations where you are shipping your products to. So for example, you can have a specific zone for California and then add a specific rate for that area. You can have one for the entire United States area. You can have one for Europe. So you can create as many shipping zones as you want and add as many shipping rates as you want. So let's create the first one by clicking on Add Zone up here. I'm going to create one for the United States. So I'm going to name it United States. And then down here, we want to choose our region. So again, I'll type in United States. And here it is. We could even choose individual states, or we can even type in zip codes right here and create specific rates for zip codes. But I'll just keep it general and just choose the United States here. And then down here, we can add our shipping method. So let's click on Add Shipping Method. Then here we have three options. We have free shipping for when you don't want to charge anything extra for shipping the products. Then we have a flat rate if you want to charge something for shipping. And then we have local pickup. This is also a free option, but then customers will have to go to your physical location and pick up their products. So I'm going to add a flat rate first. So let's choose this and click on Continue. Then I'm going to name this rate Standard Shipping. For taxable status, I'm going to choose None. And then here we can add our shipping cost. So let's add $7 for shipping. Then let's click on Create and Save. So now we have a $7 standard shipping rate for the United States. And one thing we can do is also add free shipping for a certain order amount. So this is basically what we are promising right here at the top, free shipping on orders above $40. So I want to set that up too. So let's go back to the dashboard and then click on Add Shipping Method again. And now I will just choose free shipping and continue. And I'll leave the name free shipping. And then here we want to add a requirement. So I'm going to add a minimum order amount, and then the minimum amount that people will have to buy products in is $40. Then let's click on create and save. And then I would also recommend to drag the free shipping above the standard shipping, because then when free shipping is available, so when the order amount is above $40, the free shipping method will be selected by default. So let's click on save changes. And now we can go back to our shipping zones. And here we can see that we have free shipping and standard shipping for the United States. And now we can just click on add zone and add as many zones as you want. So for example, you can add another one for Canada or one for Europe and so on. Now there's always this rest of the world down here. So these are all the zones that you currently haven't defined yet. And if you are selling internationally, then you also want to add a shipping rate to this specific zone as well, so that people can order products from anywhere from the world. So let's do that also by clicking on edit. Then let's click on edit shipping method. And here I will do flat rate, continue. And I will also name this standard shipping. Taxable status none. And then here I will charge a bit more because this is international shipping. Let's just charge $15 and click on save. You could also add free shipping for a specific order amount, but I'll just stick to standard shipping for now. So let's go back to shipping zones. And now we also have standard shipping for the rest of the world. Now here on our website, let's see if the shipping rates are set up correctly. So let's go to our shop and then let's just add a product to the cart and go to checkout. And now here we can see the shipping rate is $7 because the order amount is below $40. And we can also change the region from United States to another country. And that will go to the international shipping rate, which is $15. Now let's go ahead and add another product to the cart. Let's just add this one right here. Then again, go to checkout. And now we still have $15 because we are on international shipping. But when we change this back to United States, now we also have the free shipping method option. Now, if you want to charge taxes on your e-commerce website, you can also do that with WooCommerce, but we have to enable that feature first. So here in the WordPress dashboard, let's go to WooCommerce and click on settings. And then here under general, let's scroll down and next to enable taxes, let's tick this option, enable tax rates and calculations. Then let's scroll down and click on save changes. And now up here, we can see a new tab called tax. So let's click on it. And here we can now set up our tax rates. So first I'm going to show you how to manually add your tax rates here. And then I'm going to show you another way how to automate calculating your tax rates using a plugin. So to enter our tax rates manually, we can just click on standard rates up here, then insert a new row. And now I'm going to make an example with Switzerland because that's where I live. And we have a statewide tax of 8.1%. So first I'm going to have to enter the country code right here, but we can also look for it by just typing in the country name. So here it is, Switzerland, and the country code is CH. Then because it's a statewide tax, I don't need any state code here, and also no postcode, zip code, and no city. And the tax rate is 8.1%, and the name is VAT, value added tax. And then we have the shipping option right here, which is ticked, which means that the tax rate will also be charged on the shipping price. If that's not the case for your area, you can just uncheck this option. Now let's click on Save Changes, and then let's see if this works by going to our online store, going and opening up our shopping cart, then proceed to checkout. And here currently we don't see any tax rate that is added to the price. And this is because the country region is selected to the United States. But when we change this to Switzerland, then we can see the VAT, the value added tax, is added. It's going to be $8.92, which is 8.1% of the $110. So now we can go back to WordPress and add as many tax rates as we want for as many areas as we want. And up here, you can see that there are different types of rates as well that you can enter, like the reduced rates. For example, many countries will have products where they charge less tax on, like medical products or books and stuff like that. And if you're selling these on your store, you can add separate tax rates for those products. And once you add them in WooCommerce, you can set the tax rate you want to use for that product. And you can also change the name of these additional tax rates by going to tax options. And then here under additional tax classes, you can change the name, and you can also add more tax rates by just entering a new line and then adding the name of this tax rate. And now if you actually have any products on your store where this special tax class will apply, you can set that up in products. So let's go to products right here. Then let's say this is a product where this special tax class will apply. So let's click on edit. Then let's scroll down and go to product data. And here under tax class, we can change it from standard to reduced rate or to 0 rate. And then you definitely want to go through these options as well and make sure it's set up correctly for your business. So for example, here for prices entered with tax, it's set to, I will enter prices exclusive of tax, which means that if I enter a product for $40, then at the checkout, the tax will be added onto those $40 and it's not included in the $40. If you want to have it included, then you need to change the option to yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. But I'm going to switch it back to this option for now. Then we have calculate tax based on. This is also very important because, for example, in the US, some states are charging tax based on your shop location and not on the location where you are shipping to. So if you are in California, for example, then you need to set it to shop base address, which means that the taxes that you have to charge are based on your business location and not on the destination location. So let's go ahead and save our changes. And now I'm going to show you a very easy way how you can automate your tax rate calculation using a plugin called WooCommerce Shipping and Tax. But before we do that, I want to quickly show you what countries that plugin works for. So right here, we have a list of all of the countries where this automated tax plugin works for. So I just want to take a quick look if the country where you do business is actually on this list. And if yes, then I recommend to use this method. And if it's not on this list, then you probably want to enter your tax rates manually as we've just done before. So let's go ahead and install this plugin by going to plugins, add new plugin, and then let's type in WooCommerce tax and install this plugin right here. Install now and activate. Then let's go back to WooCommerce settings. And now before we can enable this feature to automate our tax calculation, we first need to connect our website to WordPress.com. So right here, let's click on connect and click on continue. Then we want to go to our email inbox and look for an email from WordPress.com saying connect to WooCommerce Shipping and Tax. So let's open this email and then here click on connect. And now our site is connected, so we can go back to our tax settings. And here we now have automated taxes, which we can enable by just switching it to enable automated taxes. Then scroll down and click on save changes. And now in order for this to work correctly, you want to make sure that you enter your shop or business location correctly here in WooCommerce. So here under general, here under store address, you want to make sure to enter your store address. Now let's take a look at how to create coupon codes for your WooCommerce store. So to do that, let's go to Marketing, Coupons. Then to create our first coupon, let's click on Add Coupon here. Then here we can enter the code we want to use. So I'm going to do a welcome coupon and I'll just type in welcome. We can also add a description if you want to. Then we can decide on what kind of coupon this is going to be. So the discount type. You can do a fixed card discount, so a certain amount that will be discounted. You can do a percentage discount or a fixed product discount. I'm going to do a percentage discount, and this is going to be 10%, so I'll just enter 10 right here. Then by ticking this option, this coupon will allow free shipping. And then we can also add an expiry date right here for this coupon. So I'm going to leave this available indefinitely, so I'll just not enter any date here. Then under usage restriction, we can enter a minimum amount that needs to be spent. We can add a maximum amount spent. We can add individual use only, so that this coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. Then we can exclude sale items. So if this coupon should not work on any item that is already on sale, we can check this option. Then here we can select specific products that coupon should work on, or we can exclude products that coupon should not work on. The same here with categories. Then here for usage limits, we can set the usage limit per coupon. So if your coupon code should only work a certain number of times, you can enter that number here. Then here you can limit the amount of items that the coupon will apply to. And then here you can enter the usage limit per user. So if you only want that coupon to work one time for every user, you want to type in 1 right here. So for me, this is a welcome discount. So I'll just enter 1 here. So each user can only use it one time. So that's it for the settings. Let's click on publish. And then let's try out this coupon. Let's go to our website. Let's go to our cart. And then let's scroll down to coupon and type in the coupon code welcome and click apply coupon. And now we can see right here, the coupon welcome is applied and we have a 10% discount. Now, when somebody completes a checkout on your store and buys something, then they will land on this order complete page where they can see a confirmation message saying, thank you, your order has been received, along with their information, what they have paid, and also their billing and shipping address. Now to get to this page, I've just created a coupon with a 100% discount to kind of do a test order. And we can also see that order now in our WooCommerce WordPress dashboard. So when we go back to WordPress, go to WooCommerce, go to orders, we can see that we have a new order right here from Sam Smith. So we can click on it and we can see all the information here. So we can see the billing and shipping address. We can see what item was purchased for what amount. And down here, we can even create the shipping label to ship that product to our customer. Once that's done, we can just scroll back up here. Then under status, we can change that to complete and update.